basically we're going to swap this bar shower as it's actually cracked and it's leaking from the back. So what you need to do, you need to turn the water off downstairs, open the taps to drain off a little bit of water, and then you clear to work on your bar shower. So there's just 2 nuts. You get a spanner and loosen them off. Then depending on what type of bar that's attached, on the top nut there. Once that's loose, you can unscrew it with your hand every nut. Straight away, that's your bar shower off in your hand, ready for your replacement. To try and get the exact same one if you can. It always does help. If you haven't got any spare washers, you can use the old ones as long as they're in good condition. And they are great. Bar showers normally gives you a good indication, hot on the left, cold on the right. Put your washers in. It's so easy, just to reattach the bar. Undo the full pole if you need to, like I've done, just to put it back on there to get that movement. Once all them nuts are tight, with your spanner, you can go back downstairs. Sometimes it's better to do as 2. 1, turn the stop tap back on and make sure that you have no leaks. And all it does, you can shout downstairs, turn it on or turn it off. And if it's not leaking, your job's done and you've got a new working shower.